This week I made the Star Trek Discovery communicator. I'm going to show you how I did it. Hi everybody, welcome back to the City Aperture channel. My name is Jose. I go by City Aperture. And this week I made myself the communicator for the new Star Trek show. There you have it, Star Trek Discovery. I actually made two. I also made myself one for the Next Generation. But the Next Generation one I just downloaded it and I printed it. I 3D printed it and painted it. The Star Trek communicator for Discovery I actually decided to model myself. So let's just go over about how I went about doing it. The first thing I did is I found some reference images. The show hadn't been out yet when I started working on this, so I just had to go off some of the press images that had been out there. I used that to draw in AutoCAD the 4 different badges. You have command, you have security, you have science, and you have medical. I think those are the right names. I might be misnaming them. I will show an image as to what the 4 names are, or the 4 categories are. So I modeled all 4 of them. But I really only finished one, and here I'll show you. This is straight out of my 3D printer. That's the first one, and I'll show you an image of the other 2, which were sanded and then filled and primed. And I did it this way. I didn't finish all of them because I brought this with me to Maker Faire. I wanted to show at World Maker Faire sort of the process that I do for finishing this 3D print. So the first step obviously is 3D printing it. Once I printed it, I do quite a bit of sanding, which is then followed by, I did a coat of a filler primer. You can get it at auto parts stores. It's fairly easy to get. I did another round of sanding after that. And then there were a couple of spots that were still a little low, so I did a little air drying putty for that. I sanded it again, and then I hit it with a filler primer one more time before I finished sanding it. Once that was done, it was ready to paint. I did a base coat of this gold paint that I have, this gold metallic paint. And once that dried, I took a very low grit sandpaper and I just did a little, just this light pass, just to give it that sort of metal look to it. And then I painted the inside of the emblem itself. So that's how I did it. There it is again. It has this metal look. I'll have better images up on the screen, but you can see it's 3D piece of plastic, 3D printed piece of plastic. So yeah, that's how I did it. I'll show an image of the display I took with me to World Maker Faire while we were there with my podcast. I really enjoyed making it. I'm gonna make the 3D files available for anybody that wants them. I'm gonna host them on Thingiverse. I've never hosted anything there, so we'll see how it goes. I don't usually put my 3D files out there, but I figured this would be good. So if you make it, shoot me an image of how it turned out for you. I think it's a fun, quick project. They print fairly quickly, like 40 minutes. But that's it, yeah. I've yet to see the show. I know the premiere, I believe, was this past Sunday or Monday, I'm not sure. I'm hoping to watch it maybe after this video. And then it's going to be in like CBS Access. I don't know if I'll get around to watching it, but I hope the show is good. I like it. There's, for a sense of scale, right here next to the Armor logo, or the Under Armour logo. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you did, please subscribe, like the channel, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. And hopefully you enjoy it. Let me know if you guys make it yourself. See you guys next week. If you guys like this project, then maybe you'll enjoy the podcast that I do with my two colleagues, Claudia and Ray. We discuss purpose-driven design, making, and manufacturing. We talk about architecture. We talk about all sorts of making. We have a project of the week. So yeah, please check it out. Again, it's called The Made Podcast. Thanks so much.